Hey, I'm Paul with Custom Dynamics, and today we're going to be installing our new flat ring adapter to our ProBeam Amber White dynamic rings on this 2006 Ultra Classic. The ProBeam flat adapter lets you take our standard ProBeam bullet style turn signal and convert them to work in Harley-Davidson flat pancake style housings. This makes the product modular, so it has many different applications. Our ProBeam flat adapters are available separately or as a complete set with our ProBeam LED turn signals. To get started, remove the existing lens and turn signal bulb from the turn signal housing. Lay the ProBeam flat adapter face down on a flat surface and insert the ProBeam LED turn signal into the flat adapter. Gently bend the 4 flat adapter turn signal holding tabs down to secure the ProBeam LED turn signal into the flat adapter. Insert the ProBeam LED turn signal base into the socket. Don't force it, you could damage the unit. Twist the flat adapter LED turn signal a few rotations to coil the wire from the ProBeam LED turn signal into the socket base. Insert the flat adapter with the ProBeam turn signal installed into the edge of the housing. Using the turn signal lens, push the flat adapter evenly into the turn signal housing until the lens touches. A signal stabilizer may be required in order to prevent a rapid flash on the turn signals when using LEDs. The ProBeam flat adapter is a simple upgrade to your ProBeam turn signals to help you reach additional customers. You can check out all the options at CustomDynamics.com or by visiting your local Drag Specialties dealer.